Ladies and gentlemen, amidst the Trump tariff tantrum, the Indian government has reiterated and confirmed that the EFTA is on track. What's the EFTA? It's the European Free Trade Agreement. They are saying this will be operational from the 1st of October. Let me go straight across to Pragya, who will be joining us on the broadcast. Meanwhile, the free trade agreement in fact, any trade agreement with the US right now is on hold. There was a team that was supposed to come to India from the United States of America on the 27th, 25th of this month. They haven't showed up. Pragya, what more details do you have?
Well, EFTA is very significant. And why is this significant? Because the preferential and concessional duties will now be available to India. This is a very crucial time, especially when additional 25% tariffs have come into force. Now, when, few of the goods, at least 2% of the exports that we do to US is going to have 50% of tariff. But how do we relax, other duties as well on other products that are seeing these higher tariffs? So we are looking for some FTAs, not just EFTA, which is going to come into force from October 1. Which is a very big deal for us. We will get concessional duties. There are 4 countries in EFTA, Norway, there is Switzerland also. So products coming from there will have less duties, and products going there also will face less duties. Now we have other FTA also. We are looking forward for the European Union FTAs. This is the way forward, Shreya, for India. We are looking at bilateral FTAs. And in fact, Oman, talks have already concluded with Oman, and we are closing in the terms of signing. As far as Peru, Chile, New Zealand is concerned, we are also talking to them. The focus of FTA utilization, where we have reached the saturation, is also on the cards. And also, India is looking at 50 more countries where we can export the items which we are going to export to the US. But because of the tariff, we are not able to do that. So everything is on the cards, and government is keeping a very close watch, talking to stakeholders, especially those who are heavily invested in the US.
Okay, we'll leave it there for the moment, Pragya. Thank you very much for joining us. This is news coming.